I mean the rest.
This just looks so bad. How do I you have to pull down the window?
It's on the inside.
Get to it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So on this episode, kind of excited, the first time I've ever done this. I mean, I did the garage window, so what I'm doing is I'm tinting the Mrs. Cobalt's car here. So I hope it comes out good. So what I ordered was, I have myself the window tinting kit off Amazon. It comes with all the squeegees, the stainless steel blades that you need. And then I got my soapy spray bottle of water there to spray the window, get all the crud off, and help it stick to it and everything and whatnot. And I also went out and I pre-ordered the already pre-cut window tint. Now it's not the cheapy cheap eBay ones. I did get it off eBay though, but it was on Amazon as well. So if you can see right here, it's a perfect sheet of tint, right? Completely rectangle. But if you look closely, it's already pre-stamped, I guess you could say. So all I have to do is just cut and then it would tear pretty much. I'm gonna cut it with a razor blade just to make sure I don't slice into the tint. It doesn't feel too flimsy. I mean, it is pretty good. It's not like you're going to tear it that easily. I looked online. This company, which is all windows pre-cut, 2-ply premium ceramic film kit, computer cut car glass tint by Lexan. So it wasn't too bad. That camera's not even. No. It wasn't too bad. On eBay it was $28.95, but on Amazon I think it was like $40 or something like that. Had pretty good reviews. The guys had pictures on Amazon, so it looked pretty good to me. I also Google searched what would be the best window DIY, film to do for yourself, and this was in like the top 10 online. I think this was like 1 or 2 actually. So I'm hoping that this is, going to prevail. It's going to be pretty good. I know that all window tint eventually is going to fade due to the sun's harmful UV rays, but I don't want it to be those people that are driving around with purple window tints. You know what I mean? That just looks like complete ass. So let's hope this is gonna be pretty good. I'm gonna do an A-OK job. So let's get to it and let's hope it comes out good. So I'm using a soapy water solution. You can use baby soap or any other type of soap. But the different types of soap, obviously, it's going to have a different effect on the slipperiness, especially how much you use. Alright, so what you want to do is first, you're going to want to wipe the window down. I mean, I'm in no position to give lessons, but I'm going to try to at least. So you wipe the window down, so just let the tint stick to it pretty good. Apply it to it. Obviously, you're going to want the peelable surface to peel towards you and not away from you. Just so that it doesn't move on you. Now what's good about these pre-cut tints is that it's already cut to the shape of your window. You don't have to worry about any jagged, crooked lines or whatnot. And as you go ahead, see how the pre-cut is just coming right off? You go right around the whole shape of the film. We're gonna spray on some of that soap. You're gonna get that window nice and wet. You want to put it down just a wee bit, just so you can get the tint right up to the edge. Make sure you spray the corner of those windows really well for it to wash off all that grime. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna close the door. Now, by any means, no professional. I'm not done yet, but like, what the hell? Like, it's already creased, so I must have gone over it hard or something like that. But like, that side didn't come out too bad. I mean, there's a a crease there. I did this window before I did any other ones, just because I wanted to do it before so I didn't look like that much of a fool. But damn. All right, let's continue. I mean, I don't know how we're gonna get this out. And F, what the heck? Like everything else looks. Another line there too, and I was even going super careful this time because I knew what would happen because what happened on the other window, or at least what I assumed that's what happened and why it happened. I mean, people are gonna be lining up the door to pay for this. Holy cow. See, like that's just a pain in the ass. Like what the F is that? How do you even get this out? Oh my god. I don't mind if there's a little crease there. I don't want that big old air pocket in there. I don't think it did anything. And definitely, I don't know, I mean, it might have shrunken it a little bit to get rid of the crack. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work out good. So let me show you. So here we go, the finished product, a great product. See like what I mean? Like, it just looks completely terrible. This one doesn't though. I don't know what happened. Cause that just looks terrible. And then shut the light off. Looking good, right? Looking good. Straight ass. Oh my god, but like, we were to come on, I'm not even gonna attempt the back window. That's just gonna be one big giant shit show. But like, you come over here, look at that. Not too shabby, right? No, okay, shut up. Not too shabby. I don't know what happened, so what we're gonna do right now is before I even continue, because I'm a little nervous to continue, gonna go and get the missus and see what she thinks, because I don't want to keep wasting my time. Just step on out. I don't know how you're gonna like it or not, but see, you can't even tell right now, right? Until I'm not a tinter. I stopped at the first two because I didn't want to continue. It came out really bad. The first one though, like I meant.
Quiet upstairs?
No, so I meant to do this one first because to get it out of the way with, because if it's not bad, you're not stuck seeing it, right? But for some reason, I thought that came out bad, the driver's side, but it actually came out better. So yeah, I mean, like, I don't understand what happened here. I don't, like, I was doing so careful, like, I did it properly this time, because the other time I effed up on the other side, so I had to improvise, and it worked out in the end. But like, I was being so fucking careful, and it just came out like ass. Like, as soon as that crease happened, like, there's no way you're getting it out, and bubbles are just gonna stay in there. So, yeah, just looks so bad. But look at the other side. Oh, jeez, don't eat it like I understand. But this side came out like wicked good. I only had one crease, so it wasn't too bad. Right? Like, this side's not bad at all. I only had like one crease, but like I tried to like fix it a little bit. I don't know what happened on the other side. Like, this looks okay, like you would live with this, right? No? Because the crack?
There's a crack there, there's cracks here.
Cracks where?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a difference. Yeah, different angle. Yeah.
Okay. What happens here?
I didn't do that. I touched the inside of it, not the outside.
Just take it off.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Just take it off.
Good thing it was only 28 bucks, right? So it was 20 bucks.
I lost $20 then? Is this just happening?
Yeah. Well, I can eat it, I guess. It's fine. But I thought this side came out okay.
If you didn't have this crease here,
Yeah.
it would be fine. Because I could see it with these things inside.
You're gonna have to take it. Yeah, I can't do it.
Okay, just take it off then.
I stopped.
I appreciate it, but take it off.
I stopped. I didn't want to keep wasting my time. You know, by doing the rest.
This just looks so bad. How do I you have to pull down one?
It's on the inside.
Let's do it.
So I gotta.
I
Yeah.
appreciate it though. Thanks for trying.
Yeah.
But
It's,
finish it off.
yeah. No bueno.
Okay. Take it off.
Yeah. Alright, well there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Complete ass. I don't know if this is gonna like come down without any issues. So let's give it a go. And this is how you take off window tint in the same video. Hopefully the glue didn't stick too bad. Nope. I mean, not too bad. What's going on here? Come on. Perfect. But I mean, like, it's a good quality film. It's just, it's not a good quality tinter. You know, that's all. But I mean, it comes off good when it's not fully dried. Usually takes about a week to fully cure. I will definitely not be tinting any more cars. Don't you worry. I'm not gonna worry. So, oh my goodness. So now we're all done and peeled off again. You know, I mean, whatever. So this has to get tinted. I want to get my X-Ray tinted. I want to get my Fusion tinted. And I think tint looks so much better on vehicles, and it keeps the cabin that much cooler. It really does. Even if you don't think it, even if it's baking in the sun, it is doing something. If it is not keeping the heat out, it's definitely protecting your dash and your seats and whatever from that harmful UV rays to crack and dry it out. It is doing that. It is also, what it does is, if you're driving and whatnot and you have the AC blowing, even with no tint on the window, you still feel that heat, that hit of that rays on there, and it's absolutely terrible and uncomfortable. So that's what the tint also will do too, but right now we are tintless and probably gonna be tintless for a little bit. We gotta call around and get some quotes, and yeah, well, when that happens, I'll do a video on that. But until then, like, share, subscribe, you do whatever you want, and you guys have a fantastic night.